With Samsung's latest innovation, you can bring the magic of cinema into your home. The Premiere laser projector gives you a brilliant 130-inch picture without a screen. It's just the wall.
Sorry, who are you?
Well, it's just so simple, you can move it around the house.
Excuse me.
Go.
Movie time.
The apps are already built in, so you can stream your favourite films and TV.
Okay, movie time over.
Oh, what?
Just eat your chips.
Your mum's weird.
That's not our mum.
With 4K resolution, these nerds can do this for hours. Sorry guys, game over.
Excuse me. Could you leave our house, please?
Sure. Create your own private cinema with the Premiere from Samsung. Oh. Okay, well, enjoy your night.